What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. SHIB's price still moving down and following a downward trend right now since mid-April, really, following the rejection at the 117 level or the 11 level. That was our resistance level. And we've been trading in a pretty tight window, but as we talked about, 80% of SHIB investors right now outside the money and hoping to flip that script. And right now, the bearish pressure just has prevailed. The bears have beat the bulls in pretty much every main altcoin right now, resulting in about a 15.5% decline here for SHIB in May. And we could be in store for some even bigger dips. In fact, that's what we're going to talk about in this video. We're going to talk about if and when we get down to some of those December lows, could it be a fantastic opportunity to get in? Because here's what we do know about SHIB in the last couple summers. 2021, even though it was a bull market, it slowed down significantly in June, July, and August. If you remember, we called it the dog days of summer for SHIB. And then, of course, we came roaring back when we got back to a full-fledged bull there later that year, right? So that was amazing to kind of see. So we'll see kind of what happens. Obviously, with this, it's going to be very tied to the overall market at this point. You know, Bitcoin, Ethereum needs to basically get the altcoins moving, because without those right now, it's not going to move. We know that SHIB follows Ethereum super closely too, especially now more than ever, and it's not going to change. It's not going to shift anytime soon unless we get Ethereum off and running, and I think a lot of the major altcoins then will follow. But let's talk about if the price does dip down to those December lows. I'm going to be looking to add to my position. Right now, I've kind of halted things on SHIB. I've already bought the dip a couple times, dollar cost average style. I'm still buying Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day. But SHIB gets down to that 507, even these low eights. I think that's a fantastic opportunity, a fantastic window for us to look at in terms of accumulation. Because here's what we do know. If we get down to that, well, basically where we are now is basically a 10x away from all-time highs. We get down even further than that, then we're looking at a 12 to 15x potentially to get back just to previous all-time highs like we were in 2021. SHIB is no longer a crypto that's going to go up thousands of percentage points, right? It's no longer that, but it still has, I think, some of the best upside of cryptos in the top 20, in the top 50, in the top 100 in terms of what it can do in this next cycle. So appreciate you guys as always. Keep hanging in there right now because it's brutal out there. I mean, let's just be honest. It is brutal in the market, but hang in there. Things will get better. The tides will turn. Keep investing. Keep learning. Appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Peace.